If you have ever said, I just cannot meditate, then gratitude meditation is perfect for you. World famous neuroscientist Dr. Joe Dispenza said it best. Gratitude is the emotional signature that something amazing has already happened. So when you feel grateful, your body actually starts to believe that your dream is already real. That's not just spiritual talk, it's science. Gratitude releases feel good chemicals like dopamine and serotonin. It calms down your stress, clears your thoughts, and brings your heart and brain into harmony. And here is the best part, you don't need to be a monk to do it. It's honestly the simplest, easiest, and most powerful meditation out there. No complicated steps, just close your eyes, take a deep breath, and feel thankful for anything, your breath, your bed, the one person who loves you, even your morning tea. It shifts your focus from what's missing to what's already beautiful. So, if regular meditation feels hard, start with this. Just 2 minutes a day can change how you feel, how you think, and how you live. Try it today, you will feel the shift. Thank you for watching.